Wemale Karambrajil Gamubaderu Khodjaka Regional Committee Kapapej Yakajing Pej Port of West Castles District Uba Kimfa Marbanyang Ulong by Yakajingle Yakithan Khappud Lale Jingkyrkieh but Namarkanika Daw Kajala Kalabandu no Yalaila near Southerly Jaka Sha Assam.
As per the reports, we have finished around 36 villages, and most of them wanted to be in Meghalaya, most of the villages. But it seems now like Meghalaya will gain some and Assam will gain some. So there are some areas which we have not gone during the inspection to see the views of the people. Maybe those areas might go to Assam, we never know. So that's what, according to the report, these areas which we have not gone for inspection or survey or see the view of the people, this area might go to Assam.
So how many such areas are there?
When we went for inspection, there are 2-3 areas like the Malsapara, Salbari, Tutia Bazar, these Haim, these will go to Assam. But it seems now like there are some areas, I'm not very sure because I haven't received the full report yet. But it seems Malang Salbari, Malang Jaipur, and Huapara also might go to Assam. And Meghalaya might gain the upper Tharabari area, which will come to Meghalaya. So these are the areas which we might lose and some we might gain.
Ubamar Banyangulai to Bakani Jingkyrkieh, Junkie Sorkar, Jambaro Artali Kijilla, Kalapulong Kibrio, Bandum Tip, Yakajingwan Barkumta Omshimla, Banshim Yakajingsno Junkie, Halor, Kanega Japan Bedport. Hakajing Shishaki Committee Kideban Pet, Yakajingsno, Barkajinkwa Junkie Paipa, Lucky Kwa Banshong Shakajala Assam, Ne Shakajala Meghalaya, Hindena Markanega Jingkyrkieh, Omshimla Banshim, what Ekajinkwa Junkiru. Ubamar Banyangulai Turu, the Marboka Sorkar, Klashim Yakarai, Bakakwa, but Pendam not Cloy, Kikama Polai, the Saubanai, Kumta Bonsin, Kiniki Regional Committee, Kimshimla Yo Jingtip, Halor Kijialak Bakasorkar Kakot.
Not properly done from both the committees also, I agree. Because people need time. They need time and they need to know when we are coming. Now suddenly we go without the proper information when most of the people maybe they are busy in the fields, in the paddy fields and all. So that's why I was telling that most of the people from the Assam, the Rabha Autonomous District Council, they have come to support that they don't want to be in Assam. But mainly the people living in the village doesn't know what is happening. So this also is one of the reasons maybe we are not able to get the right people at the right time.